Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a try on haul for a new brand that I've never tried, which is Quince. Okay, so I've seen this brand literally all over my Facebook, Instagram. I think even I saw an ad on TikTok, and I was like, it's giving Everlane, it's giving Madewell, just really like Banana Republic, J. Crew, very basic quality, good looking pieces for very affordable prices. I was thinking, is this too good to be true? So I placed a giant order to try things out and see. I tried a little bit of everything from their brand. Their whole like thing is that they're quality, price, and sustainability. So they basically give you the sustainability and the quality of these really high-end brands, like not really high-end brands, but like sustainable brands like Everlane, which is one of my favorite places. I love their stuff, but it's pricey. And they kind of work, I really feel like they get their pieces right. I don't know how they do it. I really feel like they use the same manufacturers, honestly, as like Everlane and places like that, but just don't put the name of Everlane on there. I could be completely wrong, but I've shopped from Everlane and I've now shopped from here, and I feel as though that's what's happening. So obviously for us as the consumer, that's amazing because we get the sustainability, we get the quality of these like higher end brands, but we don't have to pay so much money. So I was like, let's see. So I got a bunch of different things. Let's try them on. I want to talk sizing because that is something that I feel like is not so great. But the quality of their pieces are just really good. But I also like my stuff to fit a little more oversized, so I wish I knew that before going into it. So I feel like I haven't seen any like reviews on this brand, so that's why I was like, let's order and let's see, because I know you guys like similar clothing like styles as I do, so clearly this would be up your alley as well. So let's go through the whole thing. Let's see what Quince, one Quince is all about. So the first thing I got, I believe I will like leave all of these details down below because I don't have prices on any of the tags or like the names because they all have names to them. I gravitated a lot towards their sweaters because I feel like sweaters are expensive, especially at a place like Everlane or H&M. Madewell. I just feel like their prices on their sweaters are so expensive. So I was looking at these and I was like, these are very simple, very classic designs that look really cute. I want to try them. So this first one that I got was like this full cable knit, like ribbed almost material in this dark gray. This is honestly really nice. The quality and the details on this are nice. It's not overly soft. It's not rough though, so I like it. Let's look at the fabric makeup. 100% organic cotton. Yeah, like I said, it's literally like Everlane sweaters, but for like a third of the price. So I'm really happy about this. The color is like for me, honestly. I really wish that I had looked at other colors, and that's another thing. They have colors of like a million colors, which I love. Like you find one that you like and then you're like, okay, I want it in every color. So I want to look at other colors of this, but overall the fit of this, I got this in a medium. So I would say I like more of an oversized fit, and I loved the way this fit. I would 1000% recommend this sweater. Basic, very like high quality, very traditional, timeless piece that you're gonna have in your wardrobe forever. So happy about that. This next guy I wanted to try. This is one of their alpaca little things. I know these little quarter zips are so in. This first thing first is so soft, you guys, but it's really thin, like thin. You can see my skin through it. So I am worried about its warmth for that reason, but it is wool. I got this in a large and I feel like it fits very much like a medium. Their stuff is pretty boxy, like wide, but not super like long. So keep that in mind. But this is nice. It's soft. It definitely reminds me of something, that I would see from Everlane. It's got made of alpaca wool, which is really soft. It was so fluffy. I love this gray, but again, it's just really thin, and I think that's kind of the style of it. But I'm sure it's warm because it's wool, and that's wool's whole thing. But I do really like this shape of this, the collar and the zipper. Only thing is, I just feel like even this being a large, it's almost too small on me. I want something even like bigger and chunkier and more oversized. So for that reason, I'm not gonna keep it, but if you like a slim fit, then this is really nice. It's so soft. Again, the quality, amazing. It is dry clean only, which again is kind of like annoying. So this is actually 52% merino wool, 31% nylon, and then only 17% baby alpaca. But anyway, I've been loving these little sweater t-shirts. I have one from Abercrombie that I absolutely love, and I would say the quality for me for the Abercrombie one is much better than these. The only thing I would say with the white is it's really, really sheer. I got this in a small. I got a medium in the green, but I got this in a small, too small. Like, not too small where like you look like it's too small, but I prefer more of like a relaxed fit for these since they are nice. And I feel like the tighter with this like creamy white, it's more of like a cream than a white. It just shows everything. So this was a no for me. I would potentially size up in this if you really like it, but honestly I would stay away from the white, and I prefer the thickness and the lay of the Abercrombie one better. Something that Abercrombie doesn't do is colors though, and this green is phenomenal. This I got in a medium. Again, I wish I almost got a large because I just feel like they fit very petite, very small. So I would say size the heck up if you like things that are like a little bit more, I don't know, less fitted, because I feel like when clothes like kind of drape on you, they look more luxe than if it's like skin tight to you. I don't know, I've always felt that way, but I really do love this. This one is opaque, so you don't see through it. I love this like green so much. You guys know I'm obsessed with green. So I am gonna keep this, but I do want to try a large and see. I want this color. I want to try the large and see how it fits a little bit better. I'm like 99% sure that Quince does like 360-day return policy, like, which is insane. It does take a little while to get the items because they ship from overseas. So again, I feel like it's coming from a manufacturer like Everlane. I could be wrong, but anyway, love the color of this. These are really nice. Just go with more darker colors and size the heck up. Like that. Okay, this next one, I just didn't love the style of this sweater specifically, but the cream is opaque, beautiful color. I just don't love the fit of this, so I would get this color in that first sweater that I showed you over this one. This one's got kind of like that high-low look to it, which I don't love because I like to tuck it in. Again, general thing from their sweaters is they're very boxy fitting or they're really slim. It's weird, but not like long and chunky. So I didn't love this, but if you're like a legging girl, you might really like this because it'll cover the bum. But I prefer to tuck in my sweaters, especially when they're like oversized and chunky like this, which I like, which I wanted, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I feel like because of this big thing at the bottom, you can't tuck this in without it looking a little funky. So yeah, my personal opinion, but this is a really nice quality, super thick. Love the details of the collar and these little like, I don't know what these are called, like that riveting sort of here. Again, stunning. Just don't love the style of that where it's like high-low, but if you're a high-low girl, then you'd probably love that. This, yes, times a million. I tried one from Abercrombie similar to this and didn't love it. I feel like button front cardigans all the way like this are so in right now, and I'm here for it because they're my favorite style. I just feel like they're super versatile. You can wear them by themselves, you can wear them unbuttoned, like with something underneath it. I've been seeing a lot of girls just do the top button. I got this one in a small and I feel like it does fit pretty true to size. I would say it's pretty boxy of a fit in general, but I really like that. It's got a little bit of slits on the side, but this is beautiful. It's a creamy white with no, like you can't see through it or anything like that. And I love the details of the button. So this is a yes. I will also leave like my general measurements down below so you can kind of gather what my general measurements are, compare them to yourself and see like how you would like a fit to be, because some people like fits different than I do. I like everything bigger and oversized, but I like oversized in like a classy way and not in like a sloppy way. Nonetheless, okay, this next little flannel, I've been wanting to add flannels back into my wardrobe a little bit, but more of like muted, more like updated flannels. I feel like I did a lot of like red and greens and like, I don't know, when I saw this I was like yes. So this is like, feels like Scott gets his flannels from this company, forgot what they are, not his poncho ones, but I want to say like Paige. These are very interesting. They're like a sweater not a flannel. Like it's a different material on the outside than in the inside, and it's so stretchy. This is actually really nice. I honestly really love this a lot more than I thought. It is so buttery and soft, and I really like the muted colors of like the brown and the blue. I think that it's much more like wearable and much more, what do I want to say, like toned down and sophisticated of a flannel. And I really like the length of this. This is long, but more of a slender fit. And yeah, I'm here for this. I got this in a medium. For that reason, I would say that it does fit a little bit small because I feel like it fits like a small would. I don't know. Nonetheless, really enjoy this, and I would be interested to check out different colors in it, but just be warned that it's not a traditional flannel at all, more of a sweater. This, you guys, reminds me so much of like the Coatigan, I want to say, from J. Crew. Beautiful. Again, I should have gotten a medium, mostly for the sleeve length. It's just short on me, personally. My like sweater or my shirt that I was wearing with it was this underneath, and this is more of like not a full length sleeve. It's like, I don't know, 3/4, whatever. And this like hit 3/4 as well, and I would have liked this to go a little bit longer. This is beautiful. Amazing quality. Very structured but soft, and you need this if you're in an office. This is so cute. I love, it's like more of a blazer than a coat. This is stunning, and the quality is phenomenal. I would highly, 10 out of 10, a million times recommend this, but I would go up a size if you have long limbs. Like, I guess I do. I don't know. But yeah, next, I'm never taking this out of my sight. I love this. This trench in navy has everything. It's double lined with satin inside. It's beautiful. This fits true to size. I love everything about this. Comes with an extra button. I'm pretty sure they had other colors. I don't have a navy trench coat. I feel like navy trench coats aren't super common to come by, but I love navy. I love navy almost more than I like black. So this, yes, it's the perfect length. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's everything, and I feel like you could wear this for the spring as well with like bright colored sweaters. So cute. Obsessed. Next thing I got, and the last thing I got actually, is this little sweatshirt. And I wanted this to be more oversized. I got this in a medium. Fits like a small in my opinion. I like my sweaters really, really oversized, so I'm gonna try this in a large or an extra large, but it's a really nice just plain gray sweatshirt, and I like the structure and the thickness of this because I feel like it can be not dressed up, but it can be like a going out sweatshirt instead of like, you know what I mean though? You have those cozy at home sweatshirts that you like live in and have stains on them, and then you have like your nicer sweatshirt. This is like a nicer sweatshirt. It's thick, it's beautiful, it's fleece on the inside. I really like this. I just want it to be more oversized. So that's it, you guys. That's kind of like my overall like opinion. I want to say they have bags and jewelry, and I don't know if they had pants, but yeah, let me know if there's any other things that you want me to try from them. Let me know if you like this style of video, trying different brands kind of comprehensively to see what I think about sizing, quality, all of that. Overall, you guys, if you are somebody who really likes the style of like Everlane and things like that, but the price is just like not within your budget, I get it. Check this place out. I think you're really going to like it. I would just be mindful of sizing. I think that most things for me, I'm normally a small in Abercrombie, and I would say I need a medium to large in this brand. Personally, I just like that little bit more oversized fit. But the sweaters, they're there. The trench coat, you need it. I'm pretty sure they have basic colors as well, but I really am impressed with their stuff. Be mindful, it does take a little while for shipping because it does come directly from overseas, but their customer service is really good because I didn't receive like a shipment confirmation, and it had been a week, and I reached out to them and they were like, sorry, just letting you know, everything does come from overseas, so it does take a little bit longer, but don't be alarmed. It came within 10 days. I just didn't receive anything in 7. So I don't know. I jumped the gun on Amazon Prime like schedule. I think that messes me up with shipping. If things don't ship like right away, I'm like, what's going on? But anyway, yeah, that's it. Mostly because I wanted to receive it in time for Alaska, and I didn't. Oh well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful. Again, if there's any other brands that you've seen that you're like, I want you to test it out first before I spend my money on it and go through all the process of returning and all that, let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye!